Uba Renington Lingdo Tongkhar MLA ka Mokerwat constituency menta ka sngi ula paidbah ya ka ATM machine jong ka State Bank of India Mokerwat branch ka balabu ha phyllaw jong ka Ophis Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khas Hills District kumshi benta ban pensuk shu ya ki paidbah khamtam ya ki badan kam ban sei bisa haba ai jingkran ha ka jingya lang ka balingkot uba Renington Lingdo Tongkhar ulaong ba ka district kadang dan kam shibun ki kampen roy ki bayadai bat ki bank bat ki jingyo jingya rapisa ula banjuru ba ka than shiliang ka dan kam kerke banyo sakawai bat ka branch jong ki bank kham tam namar ba ha ka te ka than on sepen kha sakawai ka CNRD block bat ka college Ulaong baka jingdan sakaway ka branch bank kan long ka jingyarap ka pakraw ya ki paidbah jong ka te ka dong ka than na markum balong benta ki paidbah ki hab ban wan shama kurwat na ka benta ki kam ki bayadai bat ka pisa bat ki wei ki kam bank Hagani kasngi la sakhi lang do Deputy Commissioner ka Southwest Khas Hills District ba bi Maulong IAS u branch manager jong ka SBI Mokerwat branch upi gogoi ringkat bat ki wei bat ki officer sarkar bat ki paidbah
Yeah, I think we can take
ATM, but we could make it possible that it is now working and live today. And Sir has given, and before Sir's leaving from the district, we could make it happen. And for this to his guidance and support. Also, this ATM will be greatly benefit for the customers of these areas and people who are from these officers who belongs to these areas, then villagers and all other customers who can withdraw cash directly from here. Without ATM card also we can withdraw nowadays. So cash option is there. So
I'd like to thank God first of all for giving us this privilege of gathering here together, and especially for giving us good weather. It has been raining unpredictably for the past few days, and today I think God has been gracious, giving us good weather. I feel this, if not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is the first off-site ATM which you are having in Mokerwat, because most of the ATMs are all normally attached to the branches, and I think there's just one SBI ATM which is there in the market, which is not too far from the branch also. So I think this is the only one which is a bit further off. I'd like to thank the team from State Bank of India to make this happen, because I was a bit afraid whether we could make it today or not, because it had taken some time. We had to go through a lot of ups and downs, a lot of struggles. Actually, it's been quite some time after I joined this district that I realized that our nearest ATM is in the market area, either in the bank branches or in the market. And then every time we have events, we always have crowds of people. Like for example, when we had the district council elections, we had people here, and then before the polling parties had to move out, they needed to draw cash. So now,
who will enjoy the service from this ATM? They don't need to go to Mokerwat market. They don't need to go to Mokerwat SBI where they'll have to queue there. But here they will be the first people who will get the opportunity to utilize this ATM. So I want to express my sincere thanks to SBI for extending this service to the people of this area. Yes, I expect also not only ATM, but if possible, some more branch in Mokerwat area in our district, Southwest Khas Hills. We are still expecting, and we still need some more branch. After Mokerwat, you see, you have such a big area. After Mokerwat, when you go, you reach Rangblang, Dolon, and then that side we call Shiliang area, which is about 50% of the population residing there, where we have no branch, we have no bank service out there. So it is very, very important for us to have one more branch, and I would request through this small meeting, yes, I have approached also the bank authority from time to time to request them to open a branch, one more branch in this district, especially in the Shiliang area, which is very, very necessary to have another branch in this district. I hope to see in near future Yes, we still need more ATM also, but if we can have one more branch, it will be it will be a great help to people of this area, especially of people residing in that area. We are still initiating from the government, even to have one more block in this district, and the government is considering positively to have one more block, and it will be in that area. And on 30th, we will be launching, we'll be inaugurating one more college will be having there in that area. So along with all this development, it will be very, very good if we have also a bank service over there. So that I just want to express, and I'm very good with SBI. If I want to tell you my relation with SBI, I think I'm more as a customer rather than an MLA standing here. I am SBI customer for many, many years, and I have got also a total exposure of few crores of rupees with SBI. So I was termed as one of good customer in SBI, and I want to see that SBI not only good with me, but it will be a good bank to so many people, to the people residing in this area. And as they have extended service from time to time, I wish to see that the service of SBI will be improving to the people of this area and the people of Meghalaya at large. So once again, I want to express my sincere thanks to all the officers who have involved themselves to make this day happen, to inaugurate, to open this ATM here, which it will help many, many people, and it will really help me. I feel sometimes I'm not comfortable to stand on the queue there at Mokorwat, but I will be more comfortable to come here, and maybe I'll get some kind of consideration to have a service out here, because it's better out here, because I hope that it will not be crowded as it is crowded at Mokorwat all the time. So